Personalized ad services, so irritating. It feels like somebody is watching over me every time I search for something. But I just found out a way to stop them from doing so. First, I logged on to my Google account. Then, going on to the data and privacy section, I clicked on the My Ad Center. I was surprised to note how much info Google account had stored about me. I was surprised to see the amount of data Google had stored about my web activity. I clicked on the option for where Google stores the data for the places I visited and how I used the net services there. This meant that Google had been noting down every step I took and the areas I visited. This was something super scary. I also turned off the web and app activity for ads. Having done the same for my web activity, I felt a bit secure and more private about my online space. I also turned off the search personalization feature and then went on to the basic info section. Here, surprisingly, I saw that my birth date was visible to anybody who could view my account. This had to be hidden and made private. And so I switched on from the anyone to only view option. And all done. That's it. Super easy yet quite effective in making our online spaces way more private than before.